Hey everyone, this is John Hader in the NCSU Weather Center with your Thursday forecast. Time now again for our cool cloud close-up, and as Chris Michaels mentioned yesterday, our cloud of the week are mammatus clouds. And I'm kind of excited about this because mammatus clouds are actually one of my favorite clouds to see around. Easiest way to spot a mammatus cloud is that they tend to look like sort of like ping pong balls hanging down from the underside of a cloud. And the way that they form is a little bit different from most clouds, because with most clouds we have rising air. It rises, and as it's rising, it cools, and the air or the water in it condenses. And with mammatus clouds, they typically form, as Chris Michaels mentioned yesterday, in cumulonimbus clouds or thunderstorms. And as this rising air hits what we call the tropopause, it's not able to rise anymore, and so it spreads out, and we get this anvil formation that you'll see a lot of times in thunderstorms. And this rising, or this air right here, is actually a little bit cooler than the surrounding air. And similar to if you mix water and oil, water is denser than oil, so the water sinks. This cool air is more dense than the warmer air, and so this sinks. And that's how we get these almost ping pong ball formations on the underside of clouds. And here's just another look at it. This is actually a thunderstorm of a picture I took in Rocky Mount. And you have this updraft in the thunderstorm, and as it hits the tropopause again, it spreads out. And on this anvil, we have the sinking air, and that's where we can see these little mammatus cloud formations. So just a little bit of information, and if you see any thunderstorms coming up this spring, try and point these out and get some cool pictures of them. All right, let's move on to our weather headlines for this week. We're looking for a pretty cool end of the week with temperatures in probably the mid to lower 50s, a lot different from those nice upper 60s we had on Tuesday. Probably a rainy and dreary weekend ahead of us. If you have any outdoor activities, it might not turn out too well. And then possibly a chilly start to next week with temperatures in the low 50s. Here's a look at our fast forecast. By noon today, we should have clear skies with temperatures in the low 40s. By 5 p.m. for your evening commute, probably temperatures in the mid 40s with mostly clear skies. And then by 11 p.m. tonight, temperatures in the lower 30s around freezing with clear skies. And those clear skies are actually going to let a lot of the Earth's heat as it's cooling overnight to just escape to space, and that's why we're expecting temperatures to plummet into the mid to upper 20s. Here's a look at our surface map for Thursday. We have two low pressure systems here, one out over the Atlantic and one over southeastern Canada. And with these we have counterclockwise flow, and that's really just sort of funneling this cool Canadian air into our area. You're going to have northwest winds, which might actually be a little bit breezy through today with winds possibly around 10 to 15 miles an hour. And we're really just going to be affected by this cool air Thursday into Friday. So again, tonight, clear and cold, temperatures probably dropping into the mid-20s. So if you turned off your heater over the weekend, you might going to have to turn it back on tonight. Tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy skies, a little bit warm with temperatures in the mid-50s. And here's a look at the rest of the week. Again, Thursday, a little bit cooler, mostly clear skies. Friday, maybe a little more clouds, a little bit warmer with temperatures in the mid-50s. Saturday, more clouds roll in, and we actually have a chance for rain on Saturday night into Sunday and Sunday night. Temperatures quite a bit cooler on Sunday with only getting up into the mid-40s. And by Monday, start the week off, we should have mostly cloudy skies with temperatures in the low 50s. This is John Hader in the NCSU Weather Center. Thanks for watching.